Zungu says, at some stage, because there was no alcohol, Jameson was finished. The guys were drinking like fish. They went to go and buy alcohol.
Bathi futhi uZungu khona ke inkulumo owayikhuluma ukuthi ke utshwala kade buphelile laphana ngoba ke kade ke abafowethu bephuza njengeinhlanzi lapho ke beqeda ke Jameson yabo. Bathi uZungu wathi nabahana hamba nothenga utshwala noma kunesikhathi nahamba ngaso nothenga utshwala.
And they partook of that alcohol. And there's a piece of evidence, I don't think it's that important, but it is there, that accused number 4 bought some alcohol on that day of the 26th of June 2014, on the same day.
Bathi khona kufakazi lapho kwebo obakhulunywa khona ke kepha ke la ngaphambi kwenkantolo athi inkosi enkantolo ecantha kubaleke kakhulu lokho ke bathi khona udaba lokuthi umsola wesine ke uyena ke wathenga ke utshwala ngalo ke langalela le 26.
Is that or not? Because Zungu says, I drank bottle upside down. We went to go buy some more liquor. Accused number 4 was with us in that red car.
South Africa, we need to talk. Once again, the Senzo Meyiwa trial has shown us how lies, contradictions, and selective truths are being smuggled into the courtroom. This time, it's about alcohol sales on Sundays in 2014, a detail that may sound small but could expose just how shaky the state's case really is. Judge Ratha leaned on this false claim from the state's witness, Zungu, in his Section 174 ruling. But here's the truth. The law at that time made Zungu's story impossible. So why did the judge accept it? And why is the defense team letting it slide? Is the defense sleeping, or is something more troubling at play? Zungu, the state's witness, told the court that he bought liquor at Tops on a Sunday in 2014. On the surface, this seems minor, but the judge relied on this testimony as credible. The problem? That transaction was legally impossible at the time. Here's the timeline of the Liquor Act and norms. National Liquor Act 59 of 2003, already in force, but it gave provinces the power to regulate liquor sales. In 2014, most provinces still banned Sunday sales at supermarkets and liquor chains like Tops. Liquor Norms and Standards, adopted 5th September 2014 by the National Liquor Policy Council. Published and became legally binding 13th February 2015 in the Government Gazette. Before February 2015, these norms had no legal force. So, in 2014, Zungu could not have legally bought alcohol on a Sunday at Tops. His claim was not just shaky, it was flat-out false. Judge Ratha leaned heavily on Zungu's story in his Section 174 ruling. Instead of treating it as weak evidence, he accepted it and even suggested how the defense could counter it. But that's not his role. A judge is meant to weigh what's before him, not guide one side on how to patch holes. The defense should have immediately destroyed this claim with liquor board records from 2014, the Gazette timeline proving norms weren't law until 2015, provincial licensing conditions that restricted Sunday sales. Instead, they left Zungu's lie unchallenged, allowing it to be baked into the judge's reasoning. If lies like this slip by, what about the bigger contradictions? Brigadier Ngeninda and Advocate Baloyi thrive on muddying facts with fiction. Judge Ratha appears comfortable leaning on shaky ground. If unchecked, this risks a dangerous miscarriage of justice, where falsehoods are treated as truth. This trial is no longer about just who pulled the trigger. It's about whether truth can survive in a courtroom full of lies, political pressure, and selective rulings. The Liquor Act timeline proves that Zungu's testimony should never have stood. The defense must wake up, because every unchallenged lie pushes this case further away from justice for Senzo Meyiwa, his family, and for South Africa. That's all I had for you guys. See you on the next video.
And he says he was introduced to some of his homeboys. There were several of them there. Some he had met when he was still quartered in the rural areas. But subsequently, he became a policeman. He came to Joburg. He lost touch with them. And his evidence is that, as a result, Gwabeni had to remind him, this is Rata, this is Mnisi, this is Baloyi, this is Buthelezi. And he's excoriated for undertaking that trip, that memory trip with Gwabeni. I don't find it startling to be reintroduced to a person I last saw 10 years back. Some of them he remembered their names, some of them he did not. But what is critical and material for the evidence, as it will show later, maybe when other evidence is being led, is that he says at that confabulation he met or saw accused number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Saw them and met them and engaged them and spoke to them. And even went to buy alcohol with them at Tops's bottle store.
Lapho futhi inkosi enkantolo ikhuluma ngokunika ufakazi bakaMzungu athina ke wakho.
View. That is material evidence, critical evidence.
Ithi ke inkosi
Because,
enkantolo
okay.
ithi ke inkosi enkantolo ngokubona kwayo ke ubufakazi lokho obukhethekile futhi ufakazi obuhambisanayo ngoba izopha izathu zakhe ukuthi kungani isho njalo.
Because it relates to living human beings, live human beings. It's not relating to a car or a bicycle. Zungu says he was together with accused 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there was also the other gentleman who's also Mkaya, a colleague of theirs, who comes from Natal, I think. Marcos. This is Mnisi, this is Baloi, this is Buthelezi. And he's excoriated for undertaking that trip, that memory trip with Gwabeni. I don't find it startling to be reintroduced to a person I last saw 10 years back. Some of them he remembered their names, some of them he did not. But what is critical and material for the evidence, as it will show later, maybe there's nothing controversial or startling about that.
Bathi futhi uZungu khona ke udaba lobufakazi bakhe obukhuluma ukuthi ke umsola oqala, umsola wesibili, umsola wesithathu nomsola wesine ke kunala khona sele behamba khona mhlawumbe anyamalala khona ke athi naloko akaza qaphe ngesikhathi sakhe nyamalala ngaso noma ngesikhathi enahamba ngaso ke kepha wathi waniqapha ngesikhathi lesibe sele nebuya ngaso ke ngoba nafika nehamba njengethimba noma njengeqembu uma sele nebuya la kade niyakhona.
And Zungu says accused number 1, 2, 3. Those were the initial persons who returned, walking together, and they got into Gwabeni's room.
Bathi futhi uConstable Zungu wakhuluma ukuthi ke umsola oqala nomsola wesibili futhi nomsola wesithathu ibona abafika qala ke laphayana futhi ngesikhathi befika bade behamba bonkana noma kade besele emuva bese bahamba baye ngaphakathi kwegumbi la kaGwabeni.
And he says after some time, an appreciable time, accused number 4 and 5 followed, and they also went into Gwabeni's room.
Wabuya futhi wathi
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat. To the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat. Ticking clocks and a sweat-soaked scene. Can you handle the pressure or split at the seams? Truth or dare with no retreat. The